Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have here the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and of course as you can see here, I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to use the one of the dedicated buttons, and this button is actually the camera button. All right, so this is a dedicated camera button, and one of the simple functions of the camera button is that it gets you to the camera instantly. So for example, if I click, in just a few seconds the camera is out, and if I click again it will take a photo. All right, so as you can see here, this is the photo. All right, so that is the camera button, and it's built very conveniently right here in your device. All right, so it works almost on any screens. As you know, you might miss a moment, but if you have your phone, sometimes you have to fumble it out of the pocket, then you have to unlock, then you have to tap on the camera, and of course that can be like 20, 15, 30 seconds, all right, which is enough for a moment to pass. But of course, if you go ahead and just simply have your phone, one press, and of course your Face ID would need to activate, and within seconds it's out. All right, especially if you're anywhere in the menus of your device, simply press it and there you go. In a fraction of a second, it will go to the camera, and you can actually tap it without touching anything on the screen, and it can conveniently and easily take a photo. All right, so of course if you practice this a bit, you'll never miss one of those moments, and of course that's the beauty of this button right here, which is the action button, which is the camera button, I should say. All right, and it's very easy as well to go to video mode and of course get those shots in. All right, so I do hope this was useful, and of course that is the camera button that's on the iPhone 17 Pro Max and other iPhone 17s. Do hope this was useful, and see you in the next one guys. Bye.